Welcome to Lala's World. Today's tutorial video is Buy Now, Pay Later using the PayPal Pay in 4 Interest-Free Installments 2021 edition. Be sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out when more content is posted. On PayPal.com, scroll down and you can find information on Buy Now and Pay Later with PayPal Pay in 4. Click Learn How and you will be brought to the Pay in 4 with PayPal homepage. Basically, the way it works is you can split payments into 4 installments and it's interest-free, has no impact to your credit, and is backed by PayPal. Click Shop Now and you can see some of the stores that this option is available on. The option to pay in 4 should work with stores that accept PayPal. I'm just going to select Best Buy to show you how to get the PayPal Pay in 4 option to select. Start off shopping like you normally would by adding your preferences and making your selections, then adding the item to your cart. I'm just going to add this MacBook, then go to my checkout cart, and from here I will select PayPal and log in, which you'll need a PayPal account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, make sure your shipping details are correct and scroll down until you see the option to pay later and click on Pay in 4. Then click Continue. As soon as you do, you can see exactly what your 4 payments will be, and you'll need to pay the first installment right away. If you like the amounts that you'll need to pay and you're okay with everything, then click Continue. Then on the following page, you'll need to confirm your name, billing address, birthday, your mobile phone number, then agree and apply. Please note that this will only complete a soft check and will not affect your credit and allow you to make purchases in 4 interest-free installments. Well, thanks for watching this tutorial on Buy Now, Pay Later using the PayPal Pay in 4 Interest-Free Installments 2021 edition. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and check out the other videos on this channel.